Hey everyone, Scott Smith with the Smith team at Keller Williams. Happy Friday, February 25th. Wanted to continue our conversation around what is happening with some of the design trends. We talked about kitchen, talked about exterior. Another impactful room that people can get a good return on their investment is when it comes to remodeling a bathroom. So obviously some of the design trends that we're seeing now compared to 10, 15, 20 years ago, we're not seeing the pink tile, the blue tile that you might see back in the 50s. But we are seeing some kind of funky, different tile patterns. My advice to everyone is, and purely from a real estate standpoint, is tile. Look at that as almost more of a permanent decision. It's not as easily changed out as painting the walls. So look at something that would be more timeless, that you can add accents to with different color and accessories. Same thing with the kitchen. But we're seeing more like subway tiles, different variations with that. Michelle and I actually in our house, we're just wrapping up a bathroom renovation in our house, and the agonizing task of picking out tile was firsthand experience in our house. So also when it comes to different ways that you can enhance your master bathroom or even any bathroom is lighting. Lighting, simple fixtures can update the decor, the look, the feel of it, and even spending a little bit more than your typical home store basic fixtures. If you went into the $200-300 range, can really have an impact as far as some eye candy for decorating it. The next thing would be colors, and certainly, I think the trend as we are staying put in our homes more, quarantining. People want to have more of a spa-like experience, as they would say on HGTV, and having kind of a mix of different woods, different colors in there, textures with towels and some of the faucets and stuff. You want to make sure that you're being timeless with that, something that will last longer, and updating those colors to have more of a spa-like experience. So if you're going neutral on the tile and the flooring, you can be a little bit more bold with some of the accent colors within the house, within your remodel or renovation. So if you need any recommendations for contractors, plumbing, countertops, certainly reach out to us. We're happy to help out with that. And also right now we've got the spring parade of homes from the Builders Association that's rolling out. Actually starts on Saturday. And that's a great opportunity to get out of your home and check out some of the latest design trends in those model homes and see what's going on there. There's some cool design ideas. Wishing you all the best. Stay happy, stay healthy, and stay safe. And we'll catch you next Friday. Take care.